Hello everyone. As a part of IQSC task and CLT Center for Learning and Teaching, we are going to discuss about the UI and UX design course. In that already we have discussed about so many things in this course. So in this session we are going to handle and discuss about the typography. So in the typography, so what is typography? So what is the importance of typography? How we can use this typography in our UI UX design? These things we are going to discuss elaborately in this session. So especially what are the guidelines for proper type selection? So these things we are going to discuss about that. So next one. So can you anyone discuss about that? So what is typography? So what is the importance of that? So for instance, so many font styles are there, so many designs are there in the letter format, and so many designs they can apply for that. So which one is best and which one is apply for our aerogrammic style and our the particularly working style and all. Okay. So this one. So typography is a design discipline that involves the use of typefaces and the organization of those typefaces to create readable, usable and ideally user-friendly interfaces or experience efficiently. Typography enhances UX, optimizes usability. So finally the user will be select which one is which font is very one to all. Next one. So what are the terminologies used in the typography? So typeface. Your typeface is a composed of fonts. Font are specific weights within a typefaces. Character, an individual element, most commonly a single letter. Number of punctuational mark. So baseline. You can create a grid using the baseline of your chosen type to create a harmonious layout. So weight, height and size. This refers to the thickness, length and overall size of a typeface. So typography principle. So what are the principles we are going to utilize that same? So too many typefaces hinder good user experience. So in that presentation slide, I'm going to instance provide that one in this. Too many selection is there, too many fonts is there, so we cannot predict which one is the best, and only few fonts are there, that one also we cannot find out which one is the best. So too many typefaces can took slowly and lead to confusion. It's the best to stick to between 2 and 3 typespaces in design. So using multiple typespaces also adds to the size and loading time of the application. Next one, keep readability, legibility and accessibility top of the mind. So while designing this, we should care about these things all that. The text your typography create needs to be understandable, otherwise it defeats the purpose of communication information through text. Consider your user, so the environmental and the medium with which they are engaging with your product, color and contrast can make or break accessibility. Next one, so great visual hierarchy improves UX. So type hierarchy of your application or site is a curricle as it allows your user to quickly scan through information, organize your content according to priority. So the most important must be most prominent and the least important should be smaller and unobstructed. Size, weight and color are effective ways to create visual hierarchy. Okay. So what are the things we should consider for this typographical? So this assessment, so test and learn, so guidelines for proper type selection and then exercise. So last video. So here previous go to the previous slide. So see this. So in this typographical terms, so typefaces, font, character, weight and height, so these things are the common terminologies. And also here this picture indicated that, so what are the options are available, what are the type styles are available. So these things we are here provided here. Okay. And we also consider about the pairing of the or combination of the letters. So which one is good pair and which one is the bad pair. So these things also we should care about while combining all these things and all. Okay. So readability, so user point of view and user perspective, so we should care about the readability. So these readability we should care about that, and what the user care find out that, and we can do what kind of requirement actually user for that. Okay, so now we go for the assessment. So test and learn. So what is the test and learn? So first of all, going to test, we should learn, so what is the user requirement, which font is user is to be like, and they are actually require for that font size, color, and what is the trend in that. So these things we are going to take a study. So there is a learn about the user requirement, and then we are going to take the test. And while we are going to design, we should care about the guidelines and all. Okay, these are the reference we have used for our reference. Okay, thank you.